Hello, friends, family, clients. Adam Koltish here with CL Capital Group, your local mortgage broker firm. I want to highlight with a slide this time our early renewal and or mortgage switch program that can help you save potentially thousands of dollars over the next coming years, given the Bank of Canada's interest rate hikes. Okay, so what I want to highlight to you is that if you have obtained a mortgage in the last 3 to 4 years, and your mortgage that you have now is coming up for renewal in the next 12 to 24 months, you've got a great interest rate today. But if you wait another year or two for that to expire and renew at the interest rates that are going to be around in a year or two, those interest rates could be a lot higher than they are today. The Bank of Canada has said that they are going to continue to raise interest rates. So what's the strategy? The strategy that we have here is that there's a national A lender with excellent terms around their mortgage products and excellent features that has said, okay, so we will allow mortgages to be switched into that lender at best rates today, okay, which are higher than the ones you have, but best rates today, and you'll get another 5 years out of it. So that if when your mortgage renews in a year or two, you're gonna have those net remaining 3 to 4 years of the 5-year mortgage term that you get today at rates that are today's rates. And the goal is, okay, and we do the math for you, the goal is that you are going to save thousands of interest dollars by renewing and switching into this lender today instead of waiting another year or two at the rate you have today, which is a great rate, and then getting a new mortgage. And then over the course of those next following years, you're spending interest at whatever rate that you get that at that time. So what are the features? So this best rate switch program, renew early and lower your interest rate program, applies to variable rates and fixed rates. So here's an awesome feature. If you have a variable rate mortgage today and it's coming up for renewal in a year or two, when you got that variable rate, it's called a discount off of prime. Okay, so the interest rate you have today is going to be prime minus 0.5 or prime minus 0.35. That is what was best offered at the time that you obtained your mortgage a few years ago. The discount off of prime being offered by lenders today is a lot more. So you get more of a discount, which is great. And the reason for that is because rates are going up and it's a different lending market today. So if we can switch you over into this program now and you have a variable rate, your discount off of prime is going to go from anywhere from 0.35 and 0.5 to like 0.95 or more. So if we switch you into this program, your interest rate is actually going to go down today compared to what you already have because your rate has slowly gone up because prime rate has gone up a little bit. If you have a fixed rate, we can take a look at keeping you in a fixed rate at best fixed rates today, which again, for the next 5 years, those later years in the next 5 years are going to be potentially a lot lower than they will be when you have to renew in the next 2 years, okay? So some of the features of this mortgage product is that the legal fees are covered for you by the lender and the appraisal is covered for you by the lender. And if there is a payout penalty, which there will be from your current mortgage, they're able to adjust some of that payout penalty being added into the mortgage. But we do the math calculation for you to make sure that getting out of the mortgage you're in today is actually going to end up saving you a ton of money by the time this is all done. So we have had dozens and dozens of our clients on our email list contact us lately about the availability of this program. And if they qualify for it, we suggest you contact us just to find out if this applies to you or not. I mean, it's a quick application refresher. There's really not much to it for you, and it's worth you potentially saving thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? And then we can have a chat about anything else that you have on your mind as far as your mortgage or your home goes. It's a good, quick refresher, all right? So no harm in double checking. Worst case is you save thousands. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Let us know what we can do for you. Cheers.